Hey guys, today we're going to learn about ArtFlow, which we can use for our digital art making assignment this week in class. Okay, as you can see, when I open it up, it gives me a blank canvas. It'll also open up whatever I was working on previously automatically. If it doesn't, I can hit this button down here, Gallery, and it'll take me to all of my previously made artworks. Okay, as you can see in the toolbar on the right here, we have a bunch of different options. We have the pen tool. If we click on that, you'll see we have pencil, crayon, and a load of different brushes. I'm going to choose the pen tool. I'm going to set the size to a little bit lower here, set the flow up to make those nice flowing lines, and the opacity all the way up to make sure it's dark. Okay, now below the pen tool here you have the smear tool. You can smear paints and ink together. The eraser tool for finer mark making, and then the paint bucket tool, which will fill your whole canvas with your given color. Then you have the color palette here. You can also click and hold and drag the color palette onto the artboard. That just makes it easier and quicker. On the left here you can see we have the layers panel. If we hit plus and plus again, it will give us a new layer. If we hit plus and this little file here, the import image file, we can open up our gallery, select a picture. I'm going to use this one. It's an old building on UCA's campus. At the top left, you can see we have different options. This one will bring the size up. This one will rotate it on your central point here, which we can move around, and it'll rotate around that. And then the one on the far left just moves it around the panel. I'm going to make sure it takes up the whole screen and hit OK. And now I'm going to take my pen tool and I'm going to create a new layer over the top of this layer. Now, making sure that's selected, I'm going to just trace over the image for a little bit here. And if you want, you can really enhance and get those perfect lines that you're wanting. And as you can see, when I go back to the layers panel and make the picture invisible, the top layer stays there. Alright, now go and make art with ArtFlow. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be coming around trying to help everybody during class.